Hey everyone, my name is Shamkal. Today I'm gonna show you that how to add product metafield data and how to use product metafield data as a custom title format with our app. Let's get started. First, we need to find a product to add this product metafield data. I find it. Yep, black wrap bodycon dress. Let's add product metafield. You can see, just click add definition and you can see type section in there. Click choose single line text and make sure Storefront API access always enable. Let's add the name for this Metafield and save it, and let's add value to this Metafield. Okay, let's find another product. Okay, and you see fabric and care Metafield data. Let's add another value, 100% wool. That's it, we're done here, and we need to get inside the application. You can see API documentation section in there. Click there and custom metafield. Click set metafield key and choose the metafield you want. For example, we choose fabric and care. Last time we created, and save it. And now we can go to our collection. For example, we choose a clothes collection. We choose this format, for example, but for better understanding, for example, you can see the title format. Click there, choose custom title format, and you can see product metafield is already here. Let's add this product metafield and save it. And also we have a filter. You can use filter. For example, choose product metafield fabric and care, and there's a few condition. For example, is equal. It's mean, for example, condition is equal to 100%, let's say cotton. It's mean that if the product metafield is equal to 100% cotton, then this collection show only product who has this value. If it's not equal, then it show that there is no any value in this product metafield. If it just contains, it's mean if the product metafield contain the exact words, exact value, then it show this products. Not contain, then if it's not contain this value, then if it's show, immediately show those products. Is empty mean if this product metafield is empty, like there is no value in this product metafield, then it's show, like it's visible in the collection section. But is not empty mean if it is product metafield is not empty, for example, there is any value, then immediately show at the live, at the front, let's say. And yeah, let's check it out. Let's check it out how it visible. Okay, here you can see that, for example, black velvet maxi dress, black and 100% wool, and black velvet maxi dress, wool, black wrap bodycon dress, 100% cotton. You can see the product metafield data in there. If you want, you can change, for example, you can only show this data, or you can use like variant title and the metafield data. You can choose, you can change it if you want it. That's it. I hope I help you. Let me know if you have any questions. We are always here. We are always here to assist you. Have a good day.